Hello, word wizards and document dynamos. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your ultimate Microsoft Word headquarters. If you're eager to unravel the full potential of this word processing powerhouse, you've found your tribe. From nifty tips and tricks that'll supercharge your productivity to in-depth tutorials on mastering the art of formatting, we've got your back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a moment of our Microsoft Word magic, and be sure to give our videos a thumbs up if you find them helpful. Get ready to transform your word game, one click at a time. Microsoft Word is a widely used word processing software developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity applications. Since its initial release in 1983, Microsoft Word has become one of the most popular and iconic tools for creating, editing, and formatting documents. As a word processing software, Microsoft Word provides users with a range of features designed to enhance the process of creating written documents, from simple letters and essays to complex reports and manuscripts. Here are some key aspects of Microsoft Word. We discuss these aspects one by one. Word processing capabilities. Microsoft Word's core functionality lies in its ability to create, edit, and format text documents. Users can input, modify, and arrange text, making it a versatile platform for a wide range of written content, from simple notes to complex reports. Formatting tools. Microsoft Word provides various tools for formatting text. Users can change font styles, sizes, colors, apply bold, italics, underline, and adjust paragraph alignment and spacing. Formatting tools enable users to present content in a visually appealing and organized manner. Styles and themes. Word offers predefined styles and themes that ensure consistent formatting throughout a document. Users can apply these styles to headings, titles, paragraphs, and more, maintaining a cohesive look and feel. Visual elements. Users can enhance their documents by inserting visual elements such as images, charts, and shapes. These elements help illustrate concepts, data, and ideas, making the document more engaging and informative. Tables and graphs. Microsoft Word enables users to create tables for organizing data in rows and columns. Additionally, users can insert graphs and charts to visually represent numerical information, enhancing the clarity of their content. Templates. Templates are pre-designed document formats for various purposes, such as resumes, newsletters, and reports. Users can choose a template as a starting point and customize it to suit their specific needs, saving time and ensuring a professional appearance. Headers and footers. Headers are sections at the top of each page, and footers are sections at the bottom. Users can insert elements like page numbers, document titles, and dates in these areas, providing consistent information across pages. Error prevention and correction. Microsoft Word includes features to help users maintain accurate documents. Autocorrect. This tool automatically corrects common spelling and typing mistakes as users type, reducing errors in the document. Spell check. The spell checking feature scans the document for spelling errors and suggests corrections, ensuring accurate text. Cloud and mobility. Microsoft Word's integration with the cloud and mobility features enhances collaboration and accessibility. OneDrive integration. Users can save and store documents on Microsoft's cloud storage service, OneDrive. This allows for easy access and collaboration from different devices. Multi-device access. With OneDrive, users can work on their documents seamlessly across various devices, ensuring their work is always up to date. OneDrive integration. Microsoft Word seamlessly integrates with OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. This integration allows users to save, access, and collaborate on their documents from any device with an internet connection. Multi-device access. Because of the integration with OneDrive, users can access their documents from multiple devices, such as computers, tablets, and smartphones. Edits made on one device are synchronized to others, providing continuity in work. Here's a more in-depth description of the main elements you'll find in the Microsoft Word interface. Title bar. This is the topmost bar of the Word window and displays the name of the currently opened document. It also contains the standard minimize, maximize, restore, and close buttons. Ribbon. The ribbon is a prominent feature of Word's interface. It consists of tabs, each of which groups related commands together. The main tabs typically include Home. Contains commonly used commands for formatting text, such as font style, size, bold, italics, underline, alignment, bullets, and numbering. Insert. Provides options for inserting various elements like pictures, shapes, charts, tables, headers, footers, page numbers, and more. Page layout. Offers tools for configuring page settings, including margins, orientation, size, columns, and themes. References. Contains tools for adding citations, footnotes, endnotes, and creating a table of contents, indexes, and bibliographies. Mailings. This tab is used for creating mail merge documents, labels, envelopes, and other mass communication tasks. Review. Provides tools for spell checking, grammar checking, tracking changes, adding comments, and comparing documents. View. Offers different viewing modes like print layout, web layout, outline, and draft. Also includes options for showing or hiding elements like rulers and grid lines. Quick Access Toolbar. This small customizable toolbar is located above or below the ribbon and provides quick access to frequently used commands. By default, it includes options like save, undo, and redo, but you can add more commands to it for easy access. File menu. Backstage view. Clicking the File tab opens the Backstage view. This view allows you to manage your documents, access settings, and perform tasks like opening, saving, printing, sharing, exporting, and more. Document area. This is the main working area where you compose, edit, and format your documents. You can type and modify text here, insert images, tables, and other content, and apply various formatting options. Scroll bars. Vertical and horizontal scroll bars allow you to navigate through your document. They help you move up and down or left and right to access different parts of your content. Zoom controls. These controls, usually found in the bottom right corner of the Word window, allow you to adjust the zoom level of the document for better readability. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Word window. It provides information about the current page, word count, language settings, and other relevant details. Thanks for tuning into this Microsoft Word Masterclass with Only Tech Mind. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting Word journeys ahead. Until next time, keep Word-ing brilliantly.